How about this big one here? Yeah, that's the one we need. Grab it.
We need 3 more crates for this pallet.
Bringing the jack around now.
This truck is almost full.
A little more to the left. Okay, set the brake. Start cutting the straps. Let's get this moved.
This batch is perfectly clean.
Agreed. Maintain the pressure settings.
The flow rate is holding steady at 95 liters per minute.
Good, the viscosity looks perfect on this batch.
The speed is a little high on gauge 3. I see it. Bringing it down now. Consistency looks good otherwise.
The pH reading is stable at 4.5. Looks good.
Confirmed. I'll record it now.
That should be the correct viscosity now.
Confirmed. The sample is being drawn for QC.
The current volume is stable at 95%.
Good. Check the viscosity levels on the main console.
Make sure the aloe labels face out.
Got it.
We are all clear here. Make sure these aloe vera shipments are marked for priority.
Got it. Scanning the next pallet now.
Put the next pallet in bay 3. Make sure these cartons are secure before we seal it up.
We track the journey of our aloe from these lush fields all the way to the production line.
Diagnostic check complete. Valve seems pressurized correctly now.
Yes, the flow rate is stable. Good to go.
We need to adjust the parameters for the water usage.
I'm optimizing the flow rate now. The efficiency graph is shifting.
If we increase the target pressure here, we should see better consistency.
All right, applying the change now. Look, it's already trending up.